on! Here, I have antlers and I'm in Santa's sled. Who am I? Oh!
A reindeer!
Yeah! Now try again! Ow!
I think it might be a wolf. Can I be a wolf, please?
You do know this one for sure.
Oh, kitten! It's a kitten!
What? What are you talking about? Look, I'm a Pokemon. Oh, where did you come from?
Meow meow. Sammy, will you play with me?
Of course! How can I say no to a little kitty? Aww. I'm gonna make you a super meow cool toy.
Meow, show me. Please show it.
Here you go. Perfect stuff. What do you think?
Ew, it is too oozy.
Yes, I'm slimy. So what? Oh, what was that? Hey, you like clay, don't you? Come on, catch it. Try again. Hey, where did you go? Oh, well. Oh, my feta. He's so cute. So, let's adopt him.
Oh, Sammy.
Well, they'd have more fun together. All right, who wants to go potty, huh? Line up, kitties.
Yay, he's already trained.
What? Oh, it is quite smelly.
It's the litter box for our kittens. Ew, let's clean it up.
No one's at home. What? Ouch! You are so heavy.
Oh, you guys. Stay here, you naughty fellas. All right.
Meow, 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 meow. They said they're hungry. What do they eat? Oh, I know. Now we have yummies for any taste. Here, help yourself, my fur balls. What do you mean, not tasty? Then I'll eat it all by myself.
You'd really better take this. Cats don't eat sweets.
Yum! Got it. Kittens love milk. I'll be right back. Here it is. What do you think, Sue?
Let's save it for later. Our kittens have a special diet. I'll show you. Ta-da! Here's the super cool special cat feeder. It's empty for now, but we will fill it up with goodies soon. Here we go. Help yourself.
Well, what's all this? Hey, what's going on? Let the slime in, now!
Are you sure you want to try the cat food, Sammy? Think better.
Ew, I highly doubt that. Is it turkey? Tibby-dabba, that's the flavor!
And the fuzzies all loved it.
Well, the kittens are fed. Now let's get some sleep. Here, my pillow. Awesome. And my favorite toy. That's it. I'm out. What are you doing here? Hey, where am I gonna sleep? Hey, give me that back right now.
It's nice to share, Susan. Who said that? Anyway, I'll take care of it. My little kitties, you'd feel even cozier in this warm bed. Get in quick.
Oh, my sweetlings. Well, it is time for a fur cut. Here I go.
Sammy, what's going on here? Huh?
Oh, I think I've been exposed. Oh, Sue, seriously, who sneaks up like that? What am I gonna do now? Look what you've done.
This wasn't on purpose. And by the way, the real combs don't work on our kittens. We need these, and the cat stylist mode is on.
Nothing. I can't believe it. Meow, meow. Huh? Get it together, Sam. Wow. Aha! Freeze! That's some speed. Oh, what is that? Hey, I'm not a tree. Ooh, what a cutie. It is with a little paws.
Wow, you convinced this little buddy to comb his fur too.
I'm a great cat trainer. You're welcome to the show. Holy cannoli, something went wrong. So, help me.
Let me get you cleaned up. What? What a nice coil. Right, it's a claw sharpener.
Yeah, it is. The most necessary thing I ordered.
It looks like the kittens want to check everything out.
make Play Kittens friends? Then stay tuned to craft with us! Ho ho ho! Who's waiting for presents? Santa Sam is here!
Yay! Yay! We got presents!
Achoo!
Let's see. Huh? Clay? Is this the whole gift? Not fair.
It's called a DIY gift. Sounds much better, right? Hop, hop, hop.
Now I get it. I'm a crafter. I can deal with any task. The big kitty is starting to grow.
I made ears too, but they look a bit weird.
These are some huge paws. Let's resize them. That's better. Kitty cat, let's try them on. Sammy, what's that on your back?
What? Get it off! Put it away! Put it away! Come on! Oh no, no!
It's just a kitty tail.
So funny, Susan! From now on, I'll keep an eye on you!
Sorry, but I'll take these eyes away too. Aw, this kitty is so pretty. Check him out.
Huh? Oh, it's true!
He's almost ready. What a cute little nose.
Let me comb your fur. Here we go! Look at his whiskers! Sue, I'm a good cat guardian, aren't I?
Yeah, and check out how he will draw stripes on his fur.
Oh, that's funny how you draw. Hey! What's going on? Hey, don't paint on me!
Sammy, I got carried away. Just take a shower, okay? Here you are, sweetie. Let's paint you too, just like we did your big brother.
Come on, run! That way the paint dries faster.
You're so funny, but soon you'll need to rest. And a soft bed would be great. Rise and shine!
I'm sleeping.
I hope you decided where our kittens will live. In your room, maybe.
Sue, don't get distracted. I'll help you. Just stay here and keep working.
I wonder what he's plotting at. Sometimes his imagination amazes me. By the way, the bed looks amazing. I'm gonna give my like to it. And here's the scratching post.
Sue, help! I've got tangled. Help!
We could use this plasticine yarn to finish our claw sharpener. Check out these little pillows. Aw.
I molded them, by the way. I hope you like them, fellas.
Catch it! Catch! Oh, little kitty!
Ouch! Fish! It is a tasty fishy! Sorry, you can't bite her. She's only half fish.
Oh, thanks for your help, little mermaid. And I'm sorry.
Sue, is she your new co-host? What about me?
Well, we're all working together. You and I are gonna finish this cat feeder, okay? It looks so cute already. The food has arrived. Dig in.
Our kittens also need a new brush.
Shush! Keep your voice down. You know how much kittens love this one. Ah, now that's relaxing.
If I say potty, will they come here?
Definitely. Let's add some filler. Oh, this one is already eating. We have some time, so let's have a cat's home tour.
You can see the home of the most genius crafter, Samuel.
Wow, this is so cool! Awesome!
Hey, why are you here? Kitties, don't run. You don't.
Oh, kittens! It's kittens! They're so cute!
Okay, now no one listens to me. Hey, we're on my home tour! Aha! Here you go, you little pests! I'm gonna... Meow, meow. Where are they going?
It's bedtime for our little fuzzies. Friends, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. New pets are coming. Bye!